In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the bottom. Then select Open Settings, click on Permissions, select Microphone and tap on Allow Only while using the app. Then go back and tap on the same microphone again. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on this button. To start again, click on the same one. To go back to the normal keyboard, click on this icon at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!